videre shopping. Skal vi få litt mat.
Shower shampoo for man. Oh yeah. Nemo for the ball. Coffee important.
Coffee. Ja, det gikk jo bra det.
Det her gikk kjempebra.
So now we have a taxi and we are going to the harbor. Okay, so now I filled up this. I don't think I can get any more stuff in there. Oh, it's okay. So now we have the first meal on this boat, and it was omelette slash something with bacon.
Very good.
Bread,
Ham,
cheese.
Serralado.
Sweet.
Very good.
Num num. You should be here. Now our friend is coming. Øystein. The taxi driver doesn't take part. Tasty. And here we are putting up special connection.